All right, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Stephanie again, and today I want to share my market outlook for the gold future today with you. I really hope you had a wonderful last trading week. The market outlook I gave you worked out pretty well. Not clearly as I expected, but as I always tell you, we are only working with probabilities and there are always different scenarios. Unfortunately, I didn't spoke about the scenario that really happened, but yeah, it is what it is. So today I want to break down a little bit more with you. So, okay, let's jump right into my market profile. So, as you can see, here is the market profile of the gold future. And what we can see at first is that we had an inside week. An inside week shows us that the price did not trade above the previous week's high or the previous week's low. So, and that tells us definitely very often that there's a high probability that we will take this out. So, okay, from market profile perspective, we saw a value shift higher. So we shifted from here, from the short week, as I told you last time, we shifted value from here to here. That's a clear value shift higher. And also the POC shifted higher. And also we had a close above the value area high. That happened really in the last minute. So we closed above the value area high in the last minute on Friday. Let's see how it works out next week. So, definitely at the first sight, a bullish week, and we will see. So, based on the value shift higher, based on the close outside, we could definitely see that gold is on the long side. So, but as always, and I tell you it again and again and again, so we always working with probabilities. There's nothing guaranteed, never. So let's go through the possible scenarios, and there are a lot. So at first, we have to see scenario one. That is, as long as the market trades above the value area high at a price of 4,505, gold remains definitely long. We are staying long biased, and a confirmation comes through positioning. I want to see positioning here, and if we are above that, if we're trading here and it gives me setups for long, I will definitely intraday just look for longs. So a possible target could be the high of the last week. So as I told you, we will always take this out someday. Not guaranteed that we do it next week. So it could happen also that we're just trading back to the low and take this out first. And I saw a lot. So trust me, everything is possible. So the scenario two would be the pullback below the value area high. If the market trades back below last week's value area high and it starts to positioning for shorts, I would only look for intraday shorts from here. And targets could be the POC, the point of control of last week, and also the value area low. And I would see that would be a very good correction trade. So not a trend shift, it would be just a correction, in my opinion. And then scenario 3 comes into play when the buyers are holding the zone below the POC and the value area low at the price zone of 4,460 and 4,442. That would be the zone, the pretty good zone for the buyers to step back in. And if we see positioning here, I would only look for long trades on an intraday bias. And then we're coming to scenario 4. And here for me, the context flips to short if the market trades below the value area low of the last week and we're accepting lower prices. Yeah, the context will shift to short. And from that point, I will only look for short intraday trades. Yeah, and a possible target would be the low of the last week. And yeah, that are the scenarios that could happen. And I'm also very excited in this market how we will trade. And yeah, please keep an eye on the news because that could cause every time fast and unexpected unexpected moves. So stay definitely a little bit aware of it. Yeah, that was it. That was my personal outlook for the upcoming week for the gold future. And I really hope this gives you a little bit more of a clue how we can trade. And that's my way how I approach the gold context for the next week. Yeah, if you like it, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you get notifications when I'm uploading new market outlooks. Yeah, you can also ask me any questions. Just write it in the comments below and I will help you out with that. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful, great trading week. Bye.